Hi, I am B. Janardhan Reddy. In this video, I am going to show you a lab activity to find out the focal length of the convex lens. We place a burning candle at different positions and obtain its image on the screen. We measure the object and image distances in each case and record all our observations in a table. Class 10th, Medium English. Topic is convex lens lab activity. Syllabus SSC Board Telangana. Please subscribe the channel to get instant notifications when new videos are uploaded. Now, convex lens lab activity. The aim of this lab activity is observing the types of images and measuring the object distance and image distance from the lens. Finally, we calculate the focal length of the given lens. This is the aim of the lab activity that we are going to do. Observing the types of images and measuring the object distance and image distance from the lens. And material required: a candle, a paper to obtain the image, convex lens of known focal length, V-stand, measuring tape or metal scale. And here is the procedure. Take a V-stand and place it on a long table at the middle, nearly 2 meters long table. At the middle of the table, we have to place the V-stand. Place the convex lens on the V-stand. Now, light a candle and ask your friend to take the candle far away from the lens along the principal axis. Next, adjust a screen which is on the other side of the lens until you get an image on it. Measure the distance of the object from V-stand. Similarly, measure the distance of the image from the V-stand. Now, record the values in the table. Later, repeat this activity by placing the candle at 70 centimeters, 60 centimeters, 50 centimeters, 40 centimeters and 30 centimeters, and note down the U and V values in the table. Here I will show you the material required for this lab activity. This is the candle and this is the convex lens of known focal length, and here is the V-stand, and this is the screen we use to get the image. This is the wooden block on which I am going to place the candle, and here is the meter scale. Case 1. In this case, object, that is, candle is placed far away from the lens. It is kept beyond the table and we considered it is at infinity. We know that when the object is placed at infinity, its image will be formed on the other side of the lens at its focal point. Let us see how the image will be formed in this case. This is the table. Let us place the V stand at the middle of the table here. I am placing the V stand here, and now we place the convex lens on the V stand. This is the convex lens of known focal length. Now here I will bring the screen from a certain distance slowly towards the lens to get the clear image on it. I will bring the screen slowly from this side slowly towards the lens until I get the clear image on it. See how. This is the wooden block. Actually, I am not going to place the object here in this case because the object is beyond the table, that is this side far away from the lens. Okay. Now, here I am bringing the screen slowly towards the lens. Yes, here the image has been formed. The clear image of the object has been formed at this point. Okay. Now, in this case, focal length of the lens is 15 centimeters. We have already known this. And object is far away from the lens. Image is formed at the focal point F. Actually, here is the focal point. That's why the image is forming at the focal point. And the properties of the image are, it is inverted, see it, it is inverted and highly diminished, very small in size compared to the size of the object, and real. That means we can get this image on the screen. We have caught this image on the screen. That's why it is a real image. Here image distance equal to 15 centimeters actually, because the image has been formed at the focal point. I place the candle at the distance of 70 centimeters, nothing but focal length. So image also formed there at focal point. That's focal length of lens image distance equal to 15 centimeters in this case. But object is here is the far away from the lens. We consider stand is placed at the distance of the object as infinity here, and this is the convex lens placed on the V stand. This is the wooden block on which I am going to place the candle. So this is the object, candle is the object. Now let us measure its distance. What is the distance of the object from the lens? So here it is 70 centimeters. I will note down this distance here. Object distance equal to 70 centimeters. Next, I am bringing the screen slowly towards the lens until I get the clear image on it. Right. So here the image has been formed clearly on the screen at this point. Okay. See how this image has been formed. From the top of the candle I have taken one ray, and here the other ray, to know the position of the image only. And let us measure the distance of the image from the lens. Here it is 19 centimeters. Here is 0, Here it is 19 centimeters. So the distance of the image is equal to 19 centimeters. Let us note down this. Here image distance equal to 19 centimeters. Finally, let us study the properties of the image formed on the screen. Here image is inverted. You see here, this is the inverted image, upside down. Next, diminished. Compare the sizes of the object and image. The size of the image is less than the size of the object, hence it is diminished. Next, real image, because we caught it on the screen. Now case 3. Now let us move the candle a little bit closer. In this case, I am going to place the candle at the distance of 60 centimeters. Here focal length of lens equal to 15 centimeters. Table, V stand, convex lens, wooden block. This is the candle and nothing but the object. Now let us measure the distance of the object from the V stand, that is from here. So it is 60 centimeters. The distance of the object from the lens is equal to 60 centimeters. So object distance equal to 60 centimeters. Now I will bring the screen slowly towards the lens from this side in order to get the clear image on it. See how I am bringing. Yes, the image has been formed here, and these are the two rays. I take a ray from the top of the candle and another ray from the bottom of the candle, just to locate the position of the image. Here is the image, and let us measure the distance of the image. The distance of the image here is 20 centimeters. Image distance equal to 20 centimeters. Now let us study the properties of the image formed on the screen. Inverted, this is the inverted image, and diminished, smaller in size than object, and real image. In this case, I place the object at the distance of 50 centimeters. Case 4. Focal length of lens equal to 15 centimeters, and this is the table. Here is the V stand, and a convex lens is placed on the V stand here. Wooden block, object, that is candle. Now let us measure the distance of the candle from the V stand. It is 50 centimeters. It is 50 centimeter distance. So object distance equal to 50 centimeters. Now let us move the screen slowly from the left side towards the lens to obtain the clear image of the object on it. See how I am moving it? Yes, the image has been formed on the screen at this position. These are the two rays to locate the position of the image. Next, now we have to measure the image distance. The image distance is here 22 centimeters. So when the object is placed at the distance of 50 centimeters, the image has been formed at the distance of 22 centimeters on the other side of the lens. So note down this image distance equal to 22 centimeters. Finally, we have to study the properties of the image formed. Here, properties are similar, that is inverted image, diminished and real. Image is inverted, diminished, that is small in size, and real image. Case 5. Place the object at the distance of 40 centimeters. Here focal length equal to 15 centimeters. In this case, I am going to place the object at the distance of 40 centimeters from the lens. See here, I am moving the object slowly towards the lens. When the object is brought slowly towards the lens, the image will be moved slowly away from the lens. We can observe this. This is the table. Here is the V stand, convex lens, wooden block. That's all. This is the burning candle, and let us measure its distance where it is placed from the lens. This is the object. Now, the distance of the candle from the V stand or from the lens is 40 centimeters. So, object distance equal to 40 centimeters. Now, let us bring the screen from this side slowly towards the lens. Yes, the image has been formed here at this position. The clear image is formed here. Okay, now this is the image. These are the two rays. Now let us measure the distance of the image. Here it is 24 centimeters. So when the object is placed at the distance of 40 centimeters from the lens, the image has been formed on the other side of the lens at the distance of 24 centimeters. Let us write down this here. Image distance equal 24 centimeters. Now, properties of the image formed. Inverted and diminished, real. That's all. Next case, focal length of lens equal to 15 centimeters. In this case, I am going to place the object, that is candle, at the distance of 30 centimeters from the lens. Here we know small f, that is focal length of the lens equal to 15 centimeters. So r equal to 2f, that is 2 into 15 equal to 30 centimeters. That means here the object is placed at the center of curvature. When the object is placed at the center of curvature of the given lens, we can predict where the image will be formed. The image will be formed on the other side of the lens at the center of curvature itself. Let us see how. This is the table. V stand. This is the convex lens, wooden block, object. This is the object, candle. Now let us measure its distance. Yes, here the object is placed at the distance of 30 centimeters from the lens. So object distance equal to 30 centimeters. Now let us bring the screen from this side slowly towards the lens to obtain the clear image on it. Here the image has been formed at this position. Now if we measure its distance, this is 30 centimeters, you see here 30 centimeters. So here the object distance and image distance both are equal. That means image has been formed at the center of curvature on the other side of the lens. So image distance equal to 30 centimeters and it is inverted, same size as that of the object and real. These are the properties of the image formed. Next case number 7. In this case, I will place the object at the distance of 20 centimeters. Let us see where its image will be formed. Focal length of lens equal to 15 centimeters and this is the table. Here is the V stand. And this one is the convex lens, wooden block, candle. Now let us measure its distance. The object distance is 20 centimeters. So the object is placed at the distance of 20 centimeters from the convex lens. Here it is 20 centimeters. Now let us take the screen slowly towards right. Yes, image has been formed here. This is the image. If you observe the image, the size of the image is more than the size of the object. That means it is the magnified image. The image is magnified and inverted and real. These are the properties. And before going to study the properties, let us measure its distance from the lens. These are the two rays. To locate the position of the image, I am drawing these two rays. Now, the image distance is 60 centimeters. In the earlier case, when the object was at the distance of 60 centimeters, image was formed at the distance of 20 centimeters. Now, here is the reverse case. Object is placed at the distance of 20 centimeters. Now, the image is formed at the distance of 60 centimeters. So, image distance equal to 60 centimeters. And properties are: image is inverted image, magnified, that is enlarged, and real image. These are the properties of the image formed. In this case number 8, in this case, I will place the object at the distance of 15 centimeters. Focal length of lens equal to 15 centimeters. That means I will place the object at the focal point. Table. This is the V stand. Convex lens is placed on the V stand. This is the candle object. Now let us measure its distance. The distance of the object equal to 15 centimeters. So here object distance equal to 15 centimeters. We know that when the object is placed at the focal point, its image will be formed at infinity. Actually, the image is ambiguous, that is unclear and imperceptible. In this case, we don't get the image on the screen. Even if you bring the screen closer to the convex lens, we are not getting the image on it. So image is not formed on the screen. Image will be formed at infinity. It could be formed either this side or this side. That's why it is ambiguous. Not formed on the screen. Now, if the object is placed at less than 15 centimeters from the lens, can we obtain the image on the screen or not? That means object is placed less than 15 centimeters means object is placed between P, that is optic center, and the focal point, that is P and F. We know that when the object is placed at less than 15 centimeters from the lens, we cannot obtain the image on the screen. Why? Because the image formed will be a virtual image. The virtual image will be formed on the same side of the object. That's why we do not get the virtual image on the screen. Let us see how. The object is placed at less than 15 centimeters from the lens. Can we obtain the image on the screen or not? Here, when the object is placed at less than 15 centimeters from the lens, we cannot obtain the image on the screen. The virtual image will be formed on the same side of the object. Case 9, in this case I am placing the object at the distance less than 15 centimeters. Focal length of lens equal to 15 centimeters. Here is the table and here is the V stand. This is the convex lens. This is the wooden block on which I placed a small object, that is a small cantilever. Let us measure its distance. This is the object. So the distance is 10, 10, 11, 12. So the distance of the object is 12 centimeters. Object distance equal to 12 centimeters. Now, see whether image forms or not. No image on the screen. Image hasn't been formed on the screen. Here is the observer, and the image will be formed on the same side of the object here, and observer can see this image through the lens. That's all. This is the image. That means here the object is placed at the distance of 12 centimeters. That is less than the distance of focal length. Hence, image has been formed on the same side. Here is the object. On the same side, the image has been formed. And this image is not caught on the screen. We cannot obtain this image on the screen. It is a virtual image. And observer can see the image, this image. And the properties of the image, it is erect. That is upright image. And magnified. If you compare the sizes of object and image, the size of the image is more than the size of the object. That's why it is magnified. Next, virtual image is a virtual image. We cannot obtain it on the screen. Now, here is the lens formula. When the convex lens forms virtual image, this is the virtual image here. Here is the object lens formula. You know that when the virtual image will be
1
formed,
by f equal to 1
in
by
case
v
of
minus 1 by u.
convex lens,
Just now I told
when
you
the object is placed between
according
E
to
and that is
sign
optic
convention
center and focal point, the virtual
convex
image will be
lens
formed on the same
when
side
it
of
forms
the object.
real
This is the
image.
virtual image. So
just now
when a
I have
convex
shown
lens
you
forms
f is
a virtual
positive,
image,
u is
now
negative and v is
how
positive,
to take the sign
then
convention?
how the lens formula
See,
will become
focal length
Substitute
F1 as
the
it is.
signs in this formula.
It is measured as it is. Hence,
So 1 by
from
f
P
equal
to
to
F1 only.
1 by
P
v
to
plus
F1
1
means
by u,
I am
or
measuring
f equal to
focal length
u by
that
u
is
plus v.
here.
F is positive, this term will come
Next.
as it is, and
Let
P
us see
is
how this
also
formula
positive. That's
will
why
appear
this
in
term
case of virtual
will
image
come as
formed
it
by
is,
the convex
and
lens.
u is negative. Negative here is
The
a negative
original
means
lens
will become
maker
positive.
lens
So,
formula is not
in
lens
case
maker
of
formed
convex
formula.
lens, when it
The
forms
original
a
lens
real
formula
image,
is 1 by
the
f
lens
equal to
formula
1 by
is
v
1
minus
by
1
f
by u.
equal to 1 by
How
v
it will
plus 1
change
by u,
for
or
virtual
if we
image,
simplify it by taking
formed
LCM
by the convex lens.
we get f equal to u
In
v
case
by
of
u
virtual
plus
image,
v. That is
product
I have
by
already
sum.
shown you.
For real image,
F is positive, u and v both are negative. Substitute these signs in this. Hence 1 by f equal to minus 1 by v. Why? Because v is negative and u is negative, then this term will become as positive. So 1 by f
Now,
equal to minus 1 by v plus 1 by u, or
here are the
f
values
equal to bu by v minus u.
u and v values,
And here
are written
v
in the
is
table.
always greater than
So,
u. That means
first
the
case,
denominator is greater
object
than
was at
0.
infinity,
Hence,
and
f
image distance
will
equal to
become
15
positive
centimeters.
always.
F is 15
positive
centimeters.
always.
The second case, we observed that object is at 70 centimeters and image is at 19 centimeters, and substitute these values in this formula so that we get F value as 14.94 centimeters. See here, first one, serial number 2, U is 70 and V is 19. Serial number 3, 60 and 20. Serial number 4, that is in case 4, object was at 50 centimeters and image was formed at the distance of 22. By substituting these values in the formula and simplifying, we get F as 15.27 centimeters. Similarly, 40 and 24, F is 15. And case number 6, 30, we get 15 here. And the next case, U is 20 and V is 60. So here again we get F 15 centimeters. And I already told you, when object is placed at the focal point, we cannot get the image on the screen. That's why we assume it to be the image is formed at infinity. That's why image distance is infinity. Next, here, the last case, I kept the object at the distance of 12 centimeter, that is less than. Now we can calculate the focal length of the lens that by taking the image was formed on the same side of the about table. Okay, so I here you may get one distance there. That we have taken the length of known focal length. Then why do we calculate its focal length again? Yes, here is the explanation. We have known its focal length before only. We have taken the lens of known focal length only. But to place the object more or less at right positions, that is beyond C, at infinity, between C and F, like that, we have taken the lens of known focal length. Even if we calculate its focal length, we should get the same value. See here, we can calculate the focal length of the lens by taking the average of all the values in column 4 of the above table. So, average focal length equal to sum of the quantities by, that is sum of the observations divided by number of observations. We got all these F values and we calculated all these F values previously. So, average focal length equal to 90.21. This is sum of all these values. 90.21 divided by 6 equal to now. 0.04. What are the precautions to be taken? Precautions. We have to place the convex lens on the V stand vertically. That is the first precaution we should observe. Next, second one is V stand and the screen should be on the same line. Third one is measure the image distance only when clear image is formed on the screen. Fourth one is while looking the image on the screen, the minimum distance between the eye and image should be 25 centimeters. That's all. Thank you.